The Ueno Toshogu Shrine.
2 beats, 3 beats, together. Sakura, sakura, cherry blossom. 1, 2, 3, 3.
These are all the offerings, nice messages as you can see.
Yeah.
Personalized calendar. Did you have a teacher or did you just play by yourself?
Have you seen? Made in South Africa.
Oh, here you go. So good. It's so good.
Next tune, It's Done Nothing. Duke Ellington song. Duke Ellington, so great jazz musician. You know Stevie Wonder.
Yes.
This song was Sir Duke. Duke is Duke Ellington.
Really?
Okay.
Oh wow. Really cool, guys.
Using this one.
Anything that beats with
is jazz is rock.
legs. Really cool.
Using this one, rock. And the practice blue notes. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Really cool. Give him some cash. Definitely worth all the money. Jesus, he's so good. Unbelievable. Woo!
1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3 beats. 2 beats, 3 beats, together. 40 rhythm. With a triangle. So, sakura, sakura, cherry blossom. 1, 2,
sakura.
Akebono scale, Miyako scale with a triangle. So, Akebono is a sunrise company, Japan. Miyako is Kyoto, capital Kyoto. A little bit explain to my instrument. Handmade, made by myself. With my bicycle around any country. Australia 1 year, North for 4 months. Fiji, Samoa, Indonesia, Malaysia, Taiwan, Korea. By play xylophone by bicycle.
Wow.
Yeah.
This guy knows so much.
But I'm not
Look at
famous.
the bicycle, there's so much stuff on it.
I'm not famous, but a little bit show me to my traveling story. This is a Japanese old bicycle magazine. Yeah, very old. 20 years ago. This is my face. Yeah, very young.
How many countries have you gone to with this bicycle?
This bicycle is not around there.
Just stays in Japan?
Yeah.
Okay.
And this is Norway. I think these photos Norway.
Oh wow.
I'm professional photographer too.
Nice,
And Finland, Helsinki, started Finland, Helsinki. Santa Cruz Village, Norway, Denmark, 4 months by bicycle. Using this bike, specialized American bike, made in Taiwan.
American bike made in Taiwan.
Yeah.
Personalized calendar. Personalized calendar.
Now,
So what?
commercial to my sponsor. Little bit commercial to my album. Second album, Udun Roll. Play xylophone 11 song. 3 song play kalimba. 1,000 yen. And third album, Yuragi, play xylophone. 12 song. 55 minutes, 1000 yen.
These are all his
4000
albums,
Tadayo, play kalimba. 8 types
So
of
many.
kalimba, 12 songs, 47 minutes, 1000 yen. Have you seen?
I've seen that somewhere.
Made in South Africa.
Oh, here you go. Here you go. You've got a South African right here.
This
You've got a
is,
South African
made
right
in
here.
Japan.
Made in South Africa. You hear that?
Play one song.
You hear
Very
that?
small sound. Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, old French chanson, made in South Africa. And
Can I ask, which South African tribe did you get that from? Do you know whether it's Xhosa, Zulu, or like where did you get it in South Africa?
this is the kalimba Hutureshi model. Hutureshi,
Musa.
yeah.
Masa.
And
Doesn't ring a bell.
Masa
You
is my
guys
name.
can comment in the video.
Sorry, and
You guys can
this
comment in the
is
video.
made in Japan. Material from Japanese old house.
Oh, that one is a lot louder.
So I love
Mhm.
made in Japan.
Just gonna listen to one more song.
And it's on Ujun Roll from rock and roll music. Rock and roll tend to style from Ujun Roll. My original song Ujun Roll. Okay, and this is the 1010, 1010, 1000. So high sound. Okay, Ujun Roll.
He's amazing, guys, isn't he?
Have a good day, alright?
Tell me, do you have an Instagram page?
Huh?
Do you have an Instagram page?
I don't have. I have X, Twitter.
Oh, you have Twitter
Facebook,
and Facebook. Ooh, I don't use those platforms as much.
This is my blog address.
Guys, that's his email right there. I don't know if you can see it. Please support.
Where
Guys,
from?
me? I'm a South African.
Really?
Yeah, this is the Springbok team. That's why when you said you got that from South Africa, I was like, what? How long have you been playing music?
I started drums about 16.
16. Did you have a teacher or did you just play by yourself?
A little bit around to drum school. Yeah, but this is original.
Guys, very talented. Thank you so much.
See you.
Amazing, guys. So yeah, as I was saying, I came here to see the shrine, but that was a fantastic performance. Now that's the end of that. And now we're gonna head to the shrine. This is it, guys. Absolutely amazing out here, guys. And I'm not sure what to call these. It says here offerings made of wood. So these are all the offerings that have been made. Nice messages, as you can see. I'm gonna walk around a bit more, see what else I can find. Hi, is there more to the temple? Is it just here? Yeah. Is there another part? Can you go inside? No? No. Oh, you have to go that way. Okay. Are you Japanese? Oh, okay.
Have a nice day.
You too. People just chilling. Very strange. People are just staring at a tree. What is the significance of this tree? It's one of those special trees. It's one of those special trees that are considered sacred. I think the people sitting and looking at that tree are just appreciating the nature. Not sure if you're supposed to take off your shoes. It doesn't say anything here, so I don't think I can walk here without shoes. Check out this shrine. Look at that. This way. Right. Those look like tigers up there. And we go this way. Go around the front. I'm surprised that this part is not sealed off. I'm just roaming around freely, hoping I'm not doing anything bad. But this is part of the garden and it's what we paid for, so I'm gonna take a walk around it and see. As you can see here, really cool, very nice. And I think this is where the main shrine ends, or part of the main shrine, or the garden, so to say. We can't go in there because, as you can see, it's sealed off there. I feel like that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, stay tuned for more from Tokyo, Japan, because I'm going to be here for a few more days. And see you on the next one. Cheers.